What are hooks in React? Before hooks, you had to use class components to manage state or lifecycle methods. React. Hooks are functions that let you hook into React's core features, like state, lifecycle methods, and context, without using class components. They were introduced in React 16.8 to simplify component logic and make it easier to share logic across components. Before hooks, you had to use classes to manage state. This state. Use lifecycle methods like component, didMount, component didUpdate. Struggle to share stateful logic across components. HOCs, render props. Hooks solve all of that by letting you use state in functional components, handle lifecycle logic using functions like useEffect extract, and reuse logic using custom hooks. useState, manage state, adds local state to a function component useEffect, handles side effects, e.g. fetch, timers, subscriptions. useContext, accesses context data, global state or themes. useRef, references, DOM elements or stores mutable values. useReducer, manages complex state logic with a reducer function. Key principles of hooks. Hooks can only be used inside functional components or custom hooks. Hooks must be called in the same order each time the component renders. You can create your own custom hooks to reuse logic. Benefits of hooks. Easier to read and manage. Avoids this keyword confusion. Encourages reusable modular code. Simplifies logic sharing across components. Better separation of concerns than lifecycle methods. React gives you several built-in hooks. The most common? useState, useEffect, useContext, and more. Here's a simple example using useState. This button increases the count each time you click it. Function counter, const, count, set count, equals useState, 0, return. So why use hooks? They're easier, cleaner, and help keep your logic reusable. No more class components. Cleaner, reusable code. Easy to share logic between components. What hooks don't do? They don't replace all use cases for classes immediately. They don't change how React works under the hood. They're not backwards compatible with class methods, so you'll still see some class components in older code bases. Quick quiz. Which hook handles side effects? Let me know in the comments. A. useState. B. useEffect. C. useRef. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more dev tips, and see you in the next one.